What's up everyone? It is PlayStation 5 time and today we're going to unbox the new PlayStation 5. We're going to go through a complete PS5 box opening of everything that's inside and then go through a PlayStation 5 first boot. Let's get started. Alright, so I'm not going to lie, these big unboxings are never easy, but we'll take a look on the front side of the box. PS5, PlayStation 5, you got the new white on black design here. On the other side, and stay tuned to the end of this video because I put some bonus footage as well, but that's what you're going to see on one side. On the back, we can see what is going to be presented in this, so lightning speed, all that good stuff. 825 gigabytes right there. And then finally, that's what you're gonna see on the other side. Now, as always, I'm going to be putting together a full playlist of all kinds of tips and tricks and tutorials that you can use with this new PlayStation 5. So if you're looking to learn more, definitely subscribe and check that playlist out. I'll be posting those videos in the very near future. Bring this up. Alright, so the first things we're going to get in the box, some manuals, quick start guides, the power cable, DualSense controller. We'll open that up once we get the box out of the way. Alright, got more. What is this? HDMI cable. Okay. First layer, USB-A to USB-C. So for charging and so on. All right, and now you're definitely going to like this if you're getting this for Christmas. Just opening it up is exciting. Alright, so onto the rest here, we have the DualSense controller. I actually unboxed this, so I have the second one all ready to go. Let's play some Call of Duty. And pretty simple. If you want to see the unboxing to that, links in the description. You'll also see a card on screen. And then this, I guess this is a stand because laying this down kind of wobbles around. So there's the stand. It's going to stand on that pretty nicely. So let's start on the front here. We have a USB-A port right here. You also have a USB-C port as well. You have your power button and eject button. This is the optical drive version, and you can see the optical drive slot right there. If we go to the bottom side, you'll see a little opening here. Now this is actually, it looks like you can mount this. And if we tie that in with the stand here, at least from what I saw in the manual, correct me if I'm wrong, but you would put a screw into here, screw it into the bottom, and then you can almost hang it. I'm thinking, I don't know, the picture's a little bit deceiving, but let me know in the comments if you know how this works or what it does. Pretty curious myself, but I believe it's just to connect this to either be a stand or some type of mounting bracket. You have your openings here for the fans and such. On the back side, we have more ports. So we've got our power cable port, HDMI, LAN cable, and then 2 USB ports right there. On the top side, we have a simple PlayStation logo. The rest of it's pretty much white. On the bottom, there is really nothing going on at all. Now, as I'm connecting everything here, just a quick reminder of what happened with the PlayStation 4s. These HDMI cables were actually pulling the prongs out of the back of the consoles. Now, there's no evidence to suggest that it's going to happen this time, but just in case, be gentle with these cables. All right, so we've got everything plugged up. We'll just press the power button. Classic beep. Now, we're just going to follow the instructions here. So we're going to plug in our USB cable, the other end to our controller, and we'll press the PlayStation button. Pretty good. Welcome to PlayStation 5. Got the playroom, media gallery, game library. Now I'll be going over everything that you can do with this PlayStation 5 in another video. But this right here is capable of running 8K. So I mean, this little TV here is not doing it justice, but just so the control, you can see you got a little light at the bottom there. You'll notice that it lights up on these areas as well as up top for various games, players, and so on. But that is the PlayStation 5 unboxing, and like I said, there is a link in the description to the full playlist of PlayStation 5 tips, tricks, and tutorial videos. So if you're interested in learning, check that out. If you found this video helpful and enjoyable and you want to help support the channel, there's a link to my Patreon campaign as well in the description. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and the bell notification box, and I'll see you guys in the next one. But it's got all kinds of writing: don't display or sell before November. Another notice right there. But let's open this up. So basically, if you've pre-ordered this PS5 here, this is kind of what you're going to expect when you grab it. Oh, the box already had tape ripped open on the edge. So somebody else opened this first. Yeah, see, this tape is already open. I'm hoping this is a PS5. The seal right there, it's open, so someone did something. But anyway. Alright. Wow, that's a heavy console. That is heavy. 8K, 4K, HDR, all that good stuff. That is big. All right, let's put that thing on the scale. Let's actually see how much this box weighs, because I'm surprised at how heavy it actually is. All right, so let's turn it on. You can see it live like that, hopefully. Wow. Wow. 6.7 kilograms, so 6,700 grams. That's pretty heavy. Must have been pretty expensive to ship it out. All right, so that is the PS5, and it doesn't look open, so continue the rest of the unboxing.